upendo wailiwebo chogo wangu naso wangu nadu. It's okay. Hi everybody, my name is Christina. I'm from Atlanta, Georgia. I'm 47 and this is my first time at Arkana in the Sacred Valley. I originally booked my trip with my fiance to come on a spiritual retreat to try to find my purpose. But what I found here was something more than just finding answers to things that I thought I was coming here for. Took the medicine, and the medicine provided me with the ability to heal and to forgive, as well as to be open and to move forward with some of the things I had questions about in my life. The staff here is amazing. They're helpful, they're like family, they're loving, they're genuine, they're kind, and everybody here welcomes you with open arms. They're here every step of the way for the medicine, they're here even afterwards. And if you are thinking about booking your retreat here to Arkana and Sacred Valley, you should not hesitate. It'll be life-changing in so many different ways, from personal transformations, spiritual transformations, as well as meeting new family, new friends, and amazing connections. So that pretty much sums it up. Bye guys.